Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on CoolWallet. To change password on CoolWallet, first of all open up the CoolWallet application on your mobile device. Log into your account by entering your wallet's password. After entering your password, click on Unlock at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside the wallet page of CoolWallet, go ahead and tap on the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Settings menu, tap on Security Settings at the top. On the next page, enter your current password that you are using for your wallet. Once you are done, on the next page, tap on Change Password under Password Management. Now, set a new password for your account in the first text box. Enter the same password once again in the next field. Finally, tap on Confirm. You will then be able to change your password for your CoolWallet account. Now, every time you are prompted, you'll need to enter the newly updated password. So that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode.